Hello children, as you have requested to show this subtraction sum once more in class for your further understanding. So again I am sending this with the video. As you can see that here is the 223 at top, which is smaller than this 985. So first I have to make it bigger, and that was the problem with you, that how to make it bigger. You were a bit confused. So once more I am sharing this with you. You can observe that here 985, the whole thing is bigger than 223, and here also 9 is bigger than this one. So from here I will start my borrowing. I cut down 7, make it 6 and make it 11. Now from this 11 I will again take 1 and make it 10, and I will make it 12 by taking 1 from here. Now from this 12 once more taking 1 and making it 12, so that this 12 will become 11. Now from this 12 I will take 1 and give it to 3, so it will become 13. Now I will start my borrowing. 13 minus 5, we know it is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 11 minus 9 is 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So my answer will be 321 kg 238 gram. I hope now you have understood how to borrow from the upper level to the next number, so that we can do the subtraction process smoothly. Please check carefully this changing procedure, so that you will not make any more mistake in future sums. Okay. Hello children, as you have requested me to explain this special type of borrowing sum, so today again I am explaining it. Please observe it carefully, so that next time when you will get this type of sum, you will not make any mistake. Okay. Just see first, here 799, which is completely bigger than this 108. Usually for the subtraction we always know that the upper number is always bigger and the lower number is always smaller, but it is completely reverse of that. Not only that, here also you observe 3 is completely smaller than the 8, which is not matched with the subtraction process. In subtraction we always know that the upper number will be bigger than the lower number, but it is not that. So I have to do something to make all those things bigger, so that we can do the subtraction. For doing that we have to borrow. What I will borrow? This 3 is smaller than 8, so I will start my borrowing from here. This 4 I will cut down, make it 3, as I am taking 1 from this 4 and making it 13. Now from this 13 again I am taking 1 and making it 12, and that one that I have taken given to this 11 one, so it will become 11. Now I have to make it bigger, this one also. So again we will taking 1 from this 11. 11 will come to 10. Now this one goes here and it is becoming 10. Now I have to make bigger also, this 8. What I will do, I will take 1 from here and give it to 8. So it will become 18. Now it is very easy to subtract. 18 minus 9, 9. And here it is becoming, sorry I have forgotten to write down, it is becoming 9, as I have taken 1 from this 10. 9 minus 9 is 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2, and this 2 is alone, so it will come down. So my answer is 224 kg 309 gram. Next time whenever you will get this type of subtraction sum where all maximum of the upper number is less than the lower number, then you have to borrow very carefully. So observe the pattern nicely, so that you can solve this type of sums in future very easily and smoothly. Afterwards, if you are having any confusion, any doubt, any question, please write down me. Okay? Thank you.